This week in your weekly upgrade, we let you know all about what the OCDSB has to offer for summer workshops. We mentioned the what, the when, and the how. You know why? Because you're awesome. I'm Jordan R., and this is your weekly upgrade. For this season, we have today's episode and one more left till we bid adieu and have an incredible summer until we meet again for more weekly upgrades in season 2 in September. So if you need something to do in the summer and are already bored of vacationing, why not get a step ahead and upgrade your summer by joining one of our summer workshops? Let me take you through an outline of what we have to offer to get you ready for September 9th at 8 a.m. Don't worry, it's only 88 days away.
That's a realistic timeline.
But who's counting?
I love counting to the number 4.
The theme is appropriately titled Your Summer Upgrade. Workshops we're offering this year range from our Google apps like Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Forms specifically designed for admin, and understanding Google Drive. And for the virtual learning environment, we have workshops on building your class, a workshop on the new content pages, and a workshop on accessing all the digital content for your class. And of course, we have 2 different types of workshops using Portfolio. One for grades 4 to 12, and for elementary, the JK to grade 3, we have the Funster mode of Portfolio to Explore. Many of these workshops will be interactive, which means they'll come with an activity to work on so you can get your hands-on experience while you're learning. Consider it a gift from us to you. Each workshop will be roughly 1 hour in length, which allows time for us to not only teach, but to explore together and give us time for your cues to our A's.
Okay, this is where you want to get to, right?
That is the question.
Okay.
See what I did there?
Yes.
These workshops are open to all staff with an approximate cap of around 75 people in each. Now I know what you're thinking. How does one sign up for this special task of thy summer workshops within BNLTS? Well, an email is coming soon that will include all the details to register, but in the meantime, you can always check our Modern Learning website for all the workshop information, and coming very soon, the link to register. Did I mention that it's coming soon? These workshops will run through the weeks of July 6th to the 22nd and August 10th to the 19th. They will be offered on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays in the morning and afternoon. I would highly recommend you try at least one out or every single one of them. It's really up to you. But if you miss a workshop or jump in halfway because you still forgot to clear your cache, we will also provide a slide deck of all our keynotes.
Thank you for your cooperation.
We will also be offering recordings of all the workshops that will be available near the end of the summer. As an added bonus, we will also have updated video recordings that are available during the summer of other workshops we've completed to keep you up to date, such as Google Meets, Google Classroom, Google Drive, and what? Google can do that? Of course, I'm referring to some key tips and tricks for using the wonderful world of the Google. Don't forget that all our current resources for Google Apps and the VLE are found where else but in our Modern Learning website. Just click and be amazed. Well, that's it for today's weekly upgrade. If you haven't already subscribed, I would definitely make sure to do so because our season finale will have some amazing moments and some super fun times, all wrapped in under 5 minutes of your incredible lives. See you next week. Now go and keep yourself awesome.